This is the day 14 of our 40-day series where we'll be analyzing
40 plus projects
across North Bangalore.
Hi, I'm Anshika from PropSoch and welcome to PropScope, our brand new series that is going to change how you look at Bangalore real estate. Over the next 40 days, we are going to deep dive into 40 projects in North Bangalore and give you all the facts with no marketing jargons.
So subscribe us to not miss out on our journey.
And today we are scoping Brigade Insignia by Brigade Group. It sits on a 5.8 acres of land parcel in Yelahanka. The project offers 3, 4 and 5 BHK plus made units ranging from 2,145 to 5,947 square feet. With a density of 65 units per acre, the project offers 50% open space and over 30,000 square feet of clubhouse that includes multiple facilities like sports amenities includes pet park, amphitheater, swimming pool, gym, library and various other amenities like badminton, cricket ground, football ground, squash and even a running track. There's even a rare lake amenity in the vicinity. Location is everything in real estate, so now let's talk about the connectivity picture. So Brigade Insignia sits on a 74-meter approach road on well-established Yelahanka corridor. If you talk about the connectivity, so your daily metro commute comes from Yelahanka metro station, which is 1.5 kilometers, and considering the Bangalore's traffic, it might take 10-15 minutes by road. Another metro alternative is Bagalur Cross, which is approx 2.7 kilometers by road. Rail connectivity comes from Yelahanka Junction railway station at 2 kilometers. For air travelers, Kempegowda International Airport is approx 18 kilometers, which is roughly 30-35 minutes by road, which is making it a well-established corridor for frequent travelers. Multiple metro alternatives include Jakur Cross at 5 kilometers and Beta Halsur at 7 kilometers. The project sits strategically in North Bangalore's Yelahanka area, which is known for its close proximity to IT and manufacturing corridors, which is making it ideal for senior executives and affluent families. Now let's check the legal status. So Brigade Insignia has secured all 7 out of 7 legal approvals by RERA. That includes height NOC, fire NOC, development plan, Khata, among others. To view the complete list of documents, comment PropScope and share the link with you. Now let's talk about the pricing. So it stands around 15,700 rupees per square feet, while Yelahanka's average micro market sits at 10,400 rupees per square feet, which is clearly positioned as a premium offering as it has 50% more than the average market price. Unit prices spans from 3 to 9 crores, but remember, registration and statutory charges are additional. Lastly, the project's RERA possession date is scheduled for June 2029.
If you would like to know the pros and cons of properties like this on 80 plus key parameters, then click on the link given in the description box and register for our guided home buying program where we'll be helping you find the right home that fits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications because we'll be taking you through 40 days of navigating North Bangalore real estate market with expert guidance.